Hello guys, I'm here in studio doing the Get Real segment where we deal with real life scenarios. Right now we're going to deal with substitution and equations, things that might alarm you, but you can get the hang of it. Let's look at an example. The cost of repair work charged by a Magic Plumbing company is given by the equation y is equal to 150 plus 60x, where y is the cost in rands and x is the working time in hours. Dynamic Plumbing's equation for the cost of repair work is sketched below. Fill in the table below for Magic Plumbing. Alright, so we're given the equation, all we got to do is substitute. The equation is y is equal to 150 plus 60x. Now substitution is so easy, guys. Wherever you see whatever you need to substitute, you just put it in over there, alright? I can't even explain it in a different way. Y is equal to 150 plus 60 times x. We're given all the x values, so we just have to multiply the x values by 60. So in the first case, we will say 150 plus 60 times is by 0, and that gives us 150. The next case, 5 is the x, so we'll say 150 plus 60 times by 5, and that gives us 450. Next one, 10, same thing guys, we say 150 plus 60 in brackets 10, and that gives us 750. Really, really simple. It's just substituting. Let's look at the next example. What is the rate and fixed cost that Magic Plumbing charges? So let's look at the equation again. It's 150 plus 60x. Now, if you can see that x is the number of hours, y is the cost in rands. But at 0 hours, it already stands at 150. Therefore, 150 will be the fixed rate and 60 will be the rate. 150 will be the fixed cost and 60 will be the rate per hour. If Magic Plumbing charged 300 Rand for a job done, how many hours did he work? Now we have the y value here. We need to work out the x value, which is the hours. So we're going to do an equation, substitution equation. We're going to put in the 300 Rand in the y's place, and we're going to just solve. So we have 300 is equal to 150 plus 60x. We need to get x on its own, so we're going to move the 150 to the left-hand side. And then we have, because it stands as a positive, we're moving it to the left-hand side, we're going to make it a negative. So it's going to be 300 minus 150. Obviously, that's 150 is equal to 60x. We still have to get the x on its own, so we're going to divide 60x by itself in order to get the x on its own. So 60 divided by 60, but because it's an equation, what we do to the one side, we've got to do to the other side. So we're going to have to say 150 divided by 60, and that gives us 2.5. So therefore, x, how many hours did he work? 2.5 hours. Alrighty guys, that's it for the Get Real segment, and you'll see me soon with some more tips for the future. Good luck.